In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account. So just go and open your Telegram, click on the three lines at the top left, then click on settings. Here, make sure to scroll down to the bottom, click on Telegram FAQ or frequently asked questions. And here, you'll basically have to look for how to delete your account. So deleting your account, you'll not be able to do it in the application. They'll take you to the website right away. You can do it, of course, on your PC. It will be much better if you want to. So now as an example, if you keep scrolling down until you find your account right here, you'll find delete your Telegram account. If you go and click on that, as you can see, so they'll show you here how to delete it. Okay, it seems like I clicked on a wrong link. Let me just go and redo it again. So scroll down until your account, then go and how to delete your Telegram account. So in here, I'll have to scroll down a little bit and I'll find here how to delete my account. So if you'd like to delete your account, you can do this on the deactivation page. So click on this. And basically here, they'll ask you for your phone number. So log in to manage your apps using Telegram API or delete your account. Enter the number and it will send you your confirmation code via the Telegram. So all you need to do is enter your number right here. And Telegram will send you a code in your Telegram application, not via SMS. You'll have to copy and paste the code in here in the same like page that you are, because once you click on next, they'll tell you to enter your code. So just after your login and enter the code, you'll find the delete account button. Just go and click on it, and you can add a reason. It's just optional if you want to. If you don't want it, just go and click on delete my account, click on confirm, and you should be good to go. This will erase all messages, groups, and media permanently, and you cannot get them back. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.